Hey, what's going on, guys? Derek Peachy here from Glitch PCs. I hope you guys are all having an absolutely fantastic day, and welcome to part 4 of the iMac G3 gaming PC build. So if you guys remember in the last episode, we completely installed the laptop speakers, the original laptop speakers, got them working, got them wired up, and they sound absolutely amazing. So I'm super excited about that. I also connected the front panel I/O, which wasn't working in the last episode, but I got it working. It was just that the cable needed to be flipped around. There's a side for the motherboard and the side that plugs into the actual I/O. So I got that working. We just need to cut a hole for it and attach it to the actual case. But in this episode, we are going to be doing some awesome stuff, and one is installing RGB lighting inside this iMac, as well as installing USB 3.0 ports on this thing to get full USB 3.0 potential for just like video editing or transferring files or anything like that. So let's get right into it. So right now, as you can see, we got the front panel I/O just kind of hanging out the front. I'm going to cut a hole in here and probably like glue it in or something. But we got two USB 3.0 audio jack, so that's a microphone and headphone jack, and an SD card slot, which kind of what I'm doing with this machine is not only making it good for gaming but also video editing, so that SD card slot is going to be awesome. So now it's time to install our RGB strips. So yeah, I guess we'll just open this up. There we go. So it comes with, we got the remote here, lots of colors, lots of settings and options there. Instructions, and then the RGB light strips themselves. So this is four, let me think, I think they're 1 foot light strips, 1.6 feet each. So there's 4 of them total. And then there's like these little little connectors that you can link them all together. Alright, it's the moment of truth. Will this work? We're going to turn the PC on. Where's the power button? There's the power button. Yeah. Whoa! That's insane! the whole thing glows like crazy. So we got this remote with like tons of options on it. It looks, my camera's going out of focus. Alright, there we go. It's got tons and tons of options on it. Got like red. I don't remember. There's the little antenna thing. Green. I'm not sure. There's like arrows on here. I'm not sure. Are those like the brightness? I don't know. There's like so many different options on this remote. It's absolutely huge. It's like the size of my hand. So there's so many options for RGB lights on this thing. So it's looking. I mean, wow. Would you have ever imagined that an iMac G3 would have RGB lighting inside? Like it looks absolutely amazing. The whole thing literally just glows. Like that is one of the coolest looks I've ever seen. And the RGB lights through the plastic, it looks like it could be hotspots, but it doesn't at all. Like it's not blinding at all. It's the perfect amount of just everything. Like it looks amazing. So guys, I hope you guys are all enjoying this insane iMac G3 build. I think the RGB looks absolutely awesome. I can't wait to get the display in there and everything. It is just looking so cool. So make sure to follow me on Instagram, link down in the description below, as well as check out my website for awesome products like gaming PCs. You can also order your own custom gaming PC, PC repair, as well as awesome products like computer parts and computer peripherals. So go check it out, link in the description below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.